Hello, we are going to show you how to install Blender. First of all, you should go to blender.org. Then click download. Here there are two versions of Blender. As you can see, this is the latest version, and there are LTS versions, which we suggest you to install the LTS version. There are two Blender LTS versions, which the latest one is Blender 3.3 LTS. We click on it and we go to the versions and we click on the MSI version. So we wait for the download link. Okay, and start download. Okay, you open the file and it's an easy software to install. You just need to hit the next button. And you can change the location here. And again next button and wait to install the Blender. Okay, it's finished. As you can see now, the Blender is free and ready for you to start.